Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric. It's a 2565 5-line business telephone. And this is HG's equipment from Delaware, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. And HG also sent in a nice magnet here of a telephone, and so that's cool. I appreciate it very much. And HG has a note with this telephone. He wants to convert this unit, and he always likes to have a switch on his telephone so that you can turn off the mechanical bell or ringer. And so we're going to install a switch to be able to turn off the bell. He also wants to have the hold button flash red when the telephone rings. So the way we're going to set this unit up, we're going to configure it so that the switch turns off the bell, but yet the hold button, which will now be a ring cycle button and indicator, and that will stay on so that visually he can see that the telephone is ringing, but yet the bell can be turned off or on at any given time. So we're going to take care of that for HG. He also wants to have the first line button light up, and we're going to set that situation up to where he can push line 1 and it will light up, and that will access line 1. So we're going to take care of that situation. We also want to install a polarity protect circuit. There is no polarity protect circuit on the network, so we're going to take care of that issue. We also want to rewire this telephone the way we want it wired to work the way we want it to work. We're also going to be installing a modular line port so that HG can simply bring up any line cord that he wants, any length, any color, plug right into the modular port. Makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. So we'll take care of that situation. And we're going to go ahead and do some still pictures of this really cool telephone. And we want to get a start on this unit in troubleshooting, repairing, and converting this really cool telephone. So we'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair and conversion of this really cool Western Electric 2565 business telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now we want to run through a little bit about what went on. We went ahead and troubleshooted our handset cord, our transmit, receive, our keypad, the hook switch, the bell circuit, and the network. We made sure that all of the connections were proper and that they were tight. We also rewired this unit the way we wanted it wired to work the way we wanted it to work. We were going to set this unit up where you would have to push the first line to access the telephone line or when you were getting a call. And we decided not to do that. It would be a simpler situation to let the button be pushed down or in the up position and go directly to the line. Now when HG sees the video, if he decides that he wants to push this button down and access the line, we can set it up that way. It's not a problem. Now we also installed a Polarity Protect circuit at the network and designed out all of our circuits for our light. We have a visual indicator light for when you get a call, the ring cycle, and that will flash. Now we have a switch, and when you turn that switch off and the bell is in the off mode, the visual indicator light will still light. So that will flash, and you'll be able to tell that you're getting a call even though the bell is turned off. And we'll show that in the final checkout. We also installed a modular line port so that HG can simply walk up to this telephone with any length line cord, any color he chooses, and plug right into the modular port. Makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. And we'll do a still picture of that. We also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it, and when I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. It is pretty quiet today, so if you hear any noise, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. We want to go ahead and use the analyzer and send a ring cycle, so we'll start that. We'll let that go one more time, and I'll turn the bell off. The bell will not ring now, but we still have our visual indicator light. We'll go ahead and turn the bell back on. I'll let it ring one more time, and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our unit up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on our ring cycle, our visual indicator light is working, our switch for our bell is working, and our indicator light for our line, we can go ahead and push this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
Today is Sunday, July 2nd. The current time, 9:20 p.m. And the temperature, 72 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We'll call one other number. We'll call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. We'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric 2565 business telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to HG and he can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.